Hello, it's Ben Wiles from Agri-Linc, and I'm just going to show you the PROFORGE Maxtilla. This is one of our best selling lines. It's a heavy duty stubble cultivator comes in 4, 5 and 6 metre widths. These are the 6 metre ones we're looking at here, and they've got excellent under beam clearance here on these tines. We supply them as standard with the reinforced tine, so the double leaf on the top. That means that tine is perfectly capable of going straight in to stubbles as a primary cultivator, but you'll see there's enough tines in here to do a very good seedbed cultivating job, so it can also be very effective as a secondary cultivator, aerating up ground that's slumped over winter, and straight behind the combine as a weed chit or a stubble rake that will do a lot more than just a stubble rake. These two models have the V-ring packer on, which is an extra. The standard fitment is a large diameter crumbler roller, and the following harrow here on the back, that is standard fitment. So you'll see here we have the hydraulic wing locks. That is just a safety feature that stops the wings from bouncing down in transport, just like a catch that releases when you come to unfold. So it's a 45 by 12 heavy duty spring tine, and this is a 6 metre, and on a 6 metre we recommend 180, 200 horsepower. We've sold a lot of these cultivators over the last 5 years. The Maxtilla, it's proved to be one of our best sellers. I thoroughly recommend it as a simple but very effective and multi-use machine. Thank you for watching.